Do I need life insurance? Some people wait for a major life event to buy life insurance: a wedding, a new home, or a newborn. But the most important thing about life insurance is buying it before you need it. It's not exclusively for those who are married or have children either. If anyone is dependent on you financially, such as an aging parent, life insurance is a must. Not sure if you need it? See if you fit into any of the following categories. You're married. You have a domestic partner. You have a spouse and kids. You're the primary breadwinner. You're single with kids. You have a home. You own your business. You have student loan debt. You're retired. If this sounds like you, it may be time to buy life insurance. Thanks for watching. To get more videos related to loan and insurance, please subscribe to our channel. If you like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. Don't forget to hit the like button. If you have any queries, please comment in the comment section.